Hello everyone. Got an Uber Eats gift card. Here's how to add it to your account and use it at checkout. According to Uber's official help page, here's how to redeem a gift card using the Uber app. Don't worry, I'm going to show you the images as well. So, first of all, you need to go to your home page and then go to your account. Then, once you're in there, go to wallet and wait for the add funds option to load up. And once it's in, then all you have to do is click on add funds. And if you have a gift card, just press this plus icon. And then you will need to add your gift code as it appears. Make sure to avoid any spaces. Now, gift cards are added directly to your Uber cash balance. So once a gift card is added to the account, the amount can be transferred. All right. Then you can use this amount to purchase whatever you want. That's it will automatically be applied at checkout as well. So that's it. This automatically applies to your next Uber Eats order unless you choose another payment method at checkout. Just heads up, gift card only work in the country they were purchased. They also can be used for family profiles or scheduled rides. Now, if your gift card doesn't cover the full cost, Uber will ask you to add another payment method before placing your order. That's it. Your gift card is now added. Make sure to like and subscribe for more quick app tutorials.